Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can fix the home button not showing or not working issue in Mozilla Firefox. So let us dive right into it. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're on Firefox here on my PC. And here on the home screen, there is no home button actually. If I hover my mouse over that area in the top left corner where usually the home button should be residing, you won't see any home button. So if you accidentally turned that home button off, guys, there is a way how you can add it to that area here. So what you want to do is right click into that field here at the very top and select customize toolbar. And from here, guys, simply go through that list of tools you may add or functions and features you may add to your toolbar at the top. And amongst these, you will see also the home button, as you can see. So simply hover your mouse over it and the cursor will switch to a hand icon or cursor like this. So simply left click into that home button, hold your left mouse and move it to that area here and release your left mouse just like that. Now, if you don't like the home button here, simply left click into it and move it to any other position here in that toolbar at the top. So some people may like the home button being located here or to be located here, but I prefer it there, pretty old-fashioned, and that's how you do it, guys. That's how you fix this issue and re-enable the home button. Let me just refresh the page to give you proof that it indeed is does work. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.